This is continuation of module 4, forging. Forging is a compressive metal forming process involving shaping a metal piece by hammer or press. The figure shows an open die forging process. Note the red hot bar stock in place. Classification of forging operations: cold versus hot forging. Hot or warm forging, most common due to the significant deformation and the need to reduce strength and increase ductility of work metal. Cold forging, advantage: increased strength that results from strain hardening. Impact versus press forging. Forge hammer applies an impact load. Forge press applies gradual pressure. Types of forging dies: first one open die, second one impression die, third one flashless. Types of forging dies: open die forging, work is compressed between two flat dies, allowing metal to flow laterally with minimum constraint. Impression die forging, die contains cavity or impression that is imparted to work part. Metal flow is constrained so that flash is created. Flashless forging, work part is completely constrained in die, no excess flash is created. Drop forging, it is also called as stamping. It consists of special type of hammer known as drop hammer or drop stamp. Perfectly made steel dies are used for forging. The top part of the die is raised by mechanical links to a certain height. The heated metal placed accurately in the bottom part of the die. The top part of the die is then allowed to fall suddenly. This gives a high blow and completes the workpiece in a single operation. Hammer forging, machine which is work by blow or impact to perform forging process is known as hammer forging. Power hammer provides greater capacity in which the ram is accelerated on the downstroke by steam or air pressure in addition to gravity. Steam or air pressure is also used to raise the ram on the upstroke. The upper die and ram are raised by friction rolls gripping the board. After releasing the board, the ram falls under gravity to produce the blow energy. The hammer can strike between 60 to 150 blows per minute depending on size and capacity. Press forging, machine which is work on pressure to perform forging process is known as press forging. The material gets uniformly deformed throughout its entire depth. Hydraulic presses are load restricted machines in which hydraulic pressure moves a piston in a cylinder. The full press load is available at any point during the full stroke of the ram. Due to slow speed, contact time is longer at the die metal interface, which causes problems such as a heat lost from workpiece.